Hello, Sound Out Records. I am the only record shop left, yes. I'm the only one left in Teesside now. It is fantastic, but it's sad. It's emotions. It's all about emotions records. Emotions and memories. I can tell you exactly what I was doing when I play a record. Where I was, who I was going out with. It's all about memories. Records hold memories. In Stockton, I do sell a lot of heavy metal because it's a hard area, so you get like there's people into heavy metal and you get them into hard dance music. Oh.
Your DJ Frankie slamming on the bounties inside the house crew. Let's do this.
No, it's called Jacksons.
The Jacksons best of, or
No, it's the English Jacksons, not the American Jacksons.
right?
They call him Mike Jackson.
He wrote the song. Blame it on the Boogie, didn't he?
That's the one.
I like me quote. You know, people say I'm mad, but I don't smoke, I don't drink, I don't have a woman, so you know, what more do you want?
'Cause I don't need no suit of armor, 'cause my monsters are scared of you.
I'd say 99% boys and 1% girls come in and buy records. Yeah, out of every 100, maybe one girl. That's terrible. I don't know what it is. It's just blokes do like to collect things and they like to keep hold of their youth, I suppose. Never grow up. I don't want to grow up. It's full of responsibilities.